I call it annoying ass iron fence.
Oh my god. That was a loud bird.
I don't know if you guys see it. These two blue jays were fighting.
Is that what was happening? They were fighting?
Or they were bush wrestling. So we're taking a walk because we're doing laundry, and we're walking behind a grocery store, and look at all of these crates for eggs.
Why?
It's because of eggs go in.
I know, but they don't package the eggs at the grocery stores.
Huh. I don't know. They're from Los Osos
Ranch.
Los Osos Ranch. Maybe the people that have the eggs at the ranch come by and pick these up. And then they put all the eggs in and bring them back to the store. I don't know. Do any of you guys know how that works? I have no idea how that works. Booga booga!
Oh my god. I'm like, I know I didn't leave. I knew you were going to scare me. I just knew it.
You just knew it?
Yeah. Because when I didn't see you right away, I was like, God damn it, he's going to scare me.
Get it, Annie, get it. Get it. Should get one of these for the cats.
Huh. Oh, this one's already ripped open. I see, that's useless.
What is it?
It's supposed to be a ice cream cone?
Why would a cat want an ice cream cone?
Oh, it says cupcake. That does not look like a cupcake.
That's a scary flea. It looks like it's on crack.
Hi. How about this little ladybug? It's got the crinkle.
They would go nuts. Athena would go nuts.
It's so funny because this is a dog toy, but Athena would love it.
Athena would go nuts over that. We were walking and just decided to stop at the pet store, and that's what all that was. It's a local pet store called Limos.
Yeah.
Pretty cool place, but really expensive.
Yeah, they're kind of pricey.
There's a cat tree that was $500.
It's pretty sweet though. It looks like a real tree.
But it's $500.
Yeah. I'm sure we could find it online or something way cheaper.
It's a cat tree. And it's $500.
It's ridiculous.
I don't even know. It's $500. That's crazy. We're about to pass by during our walk a place we asked for a possible catering quote.
Yeah, we did.
Never called us back. Guest House Grill. I mean, never been there. It could be good. It could be tasty. I don't know. Everyone else could be really professional, but the person that we contacted and was like amped up to do our catering just never contacted us again.
Never called, never emailed, and I left several messages.
So boo you. Boo you. Guest house. Hey guys, so I think Walter White is camping out.
Let's walk past.
Yeah, Heisenberg. Laundry.
Cart. Sorry, but right into the cart.
Listen, how do you think the clothes are gonna fall? All at once or like just slowly?
Slowly. Or not.
Blink.
Have you guys ever tried to make a bed when you have cats? It's kind of impossible without them jumping in between all the sheets. So I'm going to set up the camera on the bookshelf and show you guys what Athena likes to do. There you are. Ah! Ah! She's underneath it now. Kitty lump. Ah! That's dangerous.
Peekaboo. Hi, baby.
Okay, it's time to put the comforter on. Think you can handle that? Here, you can go on top. Ow! God. Ready? You ready? She left. We just got Subway for dinner. It was delicious.
It was super good.
It was super good, except they super skimp on the spinach now. I don't know if that's like just our Subway or all the Subways, but I asked for spinach and I literally got like 4 leaves.
Well, it's everything else. It's like a pinch of lettuce, a few pieces of leaves or spinach.
Yeah, they skip on everything.
And it's like, it comes out as thick as like a 25-cent folder you buy at Walmart for school for the new year. You guys know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, it makes me mad though, because Subway used to like pile on the veggies and now I'm like, can I get spinach? Oh, here's 4 leaves. What'd you get?
Alright, so I got, mostly it's key lime, it's non-dairy and non-fat, and a little bit of toasted marshmallow yogurt. I wanted to try it. But it says these are blueberry poppers. I don't know, I just want to try them.
They're like blueberry juice poppers.
2 pieces of little toffee chocolate. I got baked coconut, strawberries, couple Jelly Bellies, toasted almonds, pretzels with yogurt, and then I had to get like little fudge bites, just tiny little ones.
You like separate all your stuff. Look at mine, it's all mixed together. I got the same key lime yogurt, but I got a little bit of, you can't see it in there, I think it's at the very bottom, a little bit of raspberry as well. And I got Heath bars and what was that chocolate stuff again? Like chocolate toffee.
Sea salt toffee.
Yeah, sea salt toffee. I got almonds and granolas and strawberries, and it's non-dairy whipped cream.
Huh.
It looks like a skull.
Almost. It needs eyes.
It just needs better eyes.
So guys, we're going on just an evening walk. I don't want to sit at home just yet. Yep, super nice outside.
Very bright.
Very bright. Well, it's sunset, but it looks very pretty outside.
Yeah.
Your fancy transition glasses.
I can't survive without these. I don't know how you get glasses without transitions. Like, this isn't even dark enough for me. I'm like squinting in the sun, and they're sunglasses.
The reason why I don't get them is because they're flippin' expensive. So we were talking about just wedding things and family members, and Andrea's uncle, Uncle Joe, who actually took our engagement photos, compiled a little video. And
which I love. Thank you, Uncle Joe.
So I'll put it right here in the video. Click this box right here, and it'll take you to the video itself. It's on Uncle Joe's channel.
Yeah, and if you're on a mobile device or an iPad, we'll put the link in the description below, so you can just click on the link.
And it came out really good. Good job, Uncle Joe. We really, really like it a lot.
I love it. If I can figure out a way to have it on a loop at the wedding, I definitely want to do that because I love it.
See how close we can get.
You're like 5 inches away. Whoop!
Oh, hey little guy, come here. Hey, come back.
There, he went all the way to the other side of the tree.
I just wanted to say hi. I wasn't gonna eat you.
We just want to be your friend.
Oh.
Ah!
So what are we gonna do today?
I don't know. You're fogging up my glasses.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I'm pretty sure you got snot smeared on it.
Hey, are we gonna watch a movie when we get home?
I want to watch Smallville.
Smallville? Yeah, we can watch Smallville.
Ew, stop it.
Smallville?
Yeah.
What season are we on? Like season 6?
I don't remember.
Oh, okay.
Ew, stop. Ta-da!
Oh my god! This is like take number 17. We cannot get an end slate recorded because we're goofing around too much.
We had too many pirate booty puffball things.
Oh god, okay. Everybody, click the video to watch last week's vlog on the left side, and on the right side, click that video and go watch the video Uncle Joe put together. It's an awesome piece he did. It's all of our engagement photos. And look at that video and then watch this vlog again. And then look at my face. I look completely different. It's weird.
You really do. You've lost so much weight in your face. It's crazy.
Thank you. Anyways, guys, please subscribe if this is the first video of ours you're watching. Go back, watch all of our vlogs, and then tell your friends. And when you click subscribe, you'll be told when we upload a new video. That way you can't miss any of the fun stuff.